Hello everyone. Today is November 3rd, 2020, Election Day, very important day. My name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose, and talk to your broker. Understand the risks involved with trading. We are in a bull market. Currently the market is moving higher. I'm going to show you the signals on the Atlas line, the trade scalper, and the at the open. I want to show you the signals that the DayTradeToWin software produces. If you haven't watched the January effect video, you can go ahead and watch that. I'll put a link in the description. You could also subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel and check out our videos page on DayTradeToWin.com. If I add the Atlas line to the chart, it gives me a good understanding of what the market is doing today and the opportunities that exist. So the first signal was a long at 33.4875. If you decided not to take this signal long, for those of you who have the DayTradeToWin Atlas line, you could have taken a strength trade, another strength trade, another strength trade, a pullback trade, strength trade, and here we are right now with another strength trade. So these are opportunities to go long. You may not want to take every signal. I don't recommend you take every signal, but this is a good indication that the market is moving higher and continuing higher with opportunities. If the Atlas line isn't something that you're using currently, let's take a look at scalping. So if I add the trade scalper to the chart, let's see the type of signals that exist on the trade scalper. So the trade scalper are small targets based on the market moving higher or lower. It's independent from the Atlas line. It has its own rules. It comes with a manual, and it includes training. So the Atlas line signals are separate from the trade scalper. So this is a long on the trade scalper. Here's another long on the trade scalper. Here's another long on the trade scalper. Again, I don't recommend you take every single signal that exists, but so far everything is pointing long, to the long position. And there's actually a strength trade happening right here, right now. There's a strength trade signal as we speak unfolding. Lastly, I'm going to show you the at the open method. And again, this comes with training. It includes software. All the software is proprietary to DayTradeToWin. And here we have, let me just expand this out here, the at the open signal to go long at 33.47 as well as 33.5275. So every single opportunity today is to the long side. And if you have any of the DayTradeToWin software options, you'll do very well today. And I believe the market will continue higher and go higher throughout the end of the year. Whatever method you're using, focus on going long when the opportunity exists. It doesn't mean you can't go short. It just means that if you see an opportunity to go long, it's a stronger move as we head into the end of the year. Now, if everything falls apart and the market comes all the way back down and trades below the Atlas line and you start seeing sell signals, equal opportunity, sell the market for the time being. But for right now, everything is indicating long. My name is John Paul. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, email us at support@DayTradeToWin.com or visit the Contact Us page. The next mentorship class is scheduled for the end of this month. There's still time. We have a lot of room still available if those of you who want to join the upcoming mentorship class, which includes all of the software that you see, plus more software like the roadmap, the blueprint, the X5, all these other methods that we also teach with lifetime licenses. Until next time, stay safe. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.